Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact fuse you'll test and preparing tools. Set a digital multimeter to continuity or DC volts. Continuity is faster for a pulled fuse. Make sure the car is off and key removed. If you're near sensitive electronics, disconnect the battery negative terminal to prevent accidental shorts. Use a fuse puller or needle nose pliers to extract the fuse carefully. Once removed, visually inspect for a broken link or discoloration before moving to the meter check. Now test the fuse electrically. If your meter is in continuity mode, touch one probe to each metal end of the fuse. A steady beep or low ohms means the fuse is intact. If you must test in circuit, turn the ignition to accessory, back probe the fuse slots. One side should show battery voltage, the other should be voltage only when circuit energized. If you see 0 voltage both sides or no continuity, the fuse is blown. Make sure probes contact firmly to avoid false readings. Finish by installing a new fuse of the same amp rating and seating it fully in the fuse box. Never substitute a higher rating. Turn the system on and verify the circuit works. If the replacement fuse blows instantly, there's likely a short or a failed component. Disconnect downstream devices and inspect wiring for chafing or corrosion. If your meter gave inconsistent results, check its battery and probe tips for damage, then retest. One key troubleshooting tip: if symptoms persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.